Good evening. Today I'm going to present you my work entitled The Study of the Capacitance and the Conductance Voltage Characteristics of GaN-GS and the GaN-GS diodes with frequency. The group trinitride wide band gap semiconductors have attracted great interest due to their potential application in various electronic and optoelectronic devices technologies such as blue ultraviolet light emitting diodes, laser diode, and the high temperature, high power electronic devices. Gallium nitride has been investigated with great interest and has seen much progress in applications such as blue light emitting diodes and laser diodes. GaN is the direct wide band gap semiconductor due to their superior electrical characteristic over than conventional silicon or GS related technologies have been demonstrated. The preparation of the well-cleaned surface arranged and passivated is of paramount importance for the growth of GaN and development of devices based on these material. Several substrates have been carried out for epitaxial growth of GaN. In particular, GS substrate still has a low cost, a large wafer size, a high thermal conductivity, and in associated advanced technology. In this work, we purpose the electrical study of GaN-GS nanostructure in order to study the effect of the presence of the GaN layer. These structures are compared to the GaN-GS structures. Analysis of the electrical characteristic of the diodes only at one frequency using CDV and GDV measurements seems not to be sufficient to give large details on the conduction phenomena in the diodes. Those electrical measurements were realized at the various frequencies, providing information on conduction mechanism and allowing the evaluation of the physical and electronic parameters. After this, series resistance effect on the parameters of the structures obtained from CDV and GDV measurements, such as doping concentration, barrier height, and the diffusion potential are evaluated. Finally, interfacial state density are also investigated using the comparison between the CDV curves plotted at low and high frequencies. The figure 1 presents the transversal cross-section of the GaN-GS A and the GaN-GS B diodes. The table 1 presents the technological characteristic of the different structures. The figure 2 and 3 present the capacitance and the conductance via voltage characteristic of the GaN-GS A and GaN-GS B diodes plotted at different frequencies. The values of capacitance and the conductance can be greatly affected by the series resistance of the diode. RS can be calculated by the following equation. Figure 5 presents the series resistance versus applied bias voltage at different frequencies for GaN-GS and the GaN-GS structure. Table 2 presents the position of the peaks and the value of the series resistance at different frequencies. The figure 6 and 7 present corrected and measured capacitance versus bias voltage of GaN-GS and the GaN-GS diodes plotted at different frequencies. The figure 9 and 10 present the measured conductance and the corrected conductance bias voltage of curves of GaN-GS and the GaN-GS diodes plotted at different frequencies. The figure 11 and 12 present the measured and the corrected C-W plots of the GaN-GS and the GaN-GS diodes at different frequencies. NSS can be evaluated by the CDV characteristic using the comparison between the high and low frequency method with and without the effect of the series resistance, and it's calculated using the following relation. The figure 13 presents interfacial state density distribution in the band gap of GaN-GS and the GaN-GS B diodes with and without series resistance. The CDV and GDV characteristic of GaN-GS and the GaN-GS diodes are studied at room temperature versus bias voltage at different frequencies. In order to obtain the correct parameters value, the CDV and GDV curves are corrected by eliminating the series resistance effect, which is particularly induced by back-ohmic contact and resistivity of substrate. Results show an improvement of the electrical parameters of the diodes. The exploitation of capacitance and the conductance characteristically dependent on the bias voltage and frequency, allows the calculation of interfacial state density with and without series resistance. Thank you.